The week had a damp beginning, with work underway to remove the forms from the walls poured last week. They don't always come away easily. Nearby, bordering the passenger terminal, work was underway on another set of forms. Between the two buildings, electricians were busy working on the installation of cable beside the resource building. In some cases, cable all too well protected by shrink wrap. But they haven't lost a battle yet. April the 1st saw barge-based work taking place on the Dolphin. Meanwhile, back on land, a major concrete pour was taking place at the top of the South Finger Dock. Altogether better weather than the day before brought welcome sunshine, which produced its own challenges for at least one person. Wednesday saw work to level the area at the top of the North Finger press ahead. The work to remove the forms from last week's wall pour also continued. We should never overlook the immense amount of work being done to prepare the new passenger terminal. Thursday saw much of the same work continuing. Concrete was also poured in the area of the future boarding bridge, and where the bridge will meet the passenger terminal. It was notable too on Thursday that what appeared to be a cable duct had been opened on the city side of the buildings. With the fine weather persisting, Friday saw yet another big concrete pour on the South Finger. It's always impressive to watch the work of a well-coordinated concrete crew like this one. But every delivery involves cleanup. When the concrete is laid and finished, curing is promoted with a damp cloth, a tarpaulin, and perhaps I see a heating coil. Even as the concrete work draws to a close, there's one person busy clearing up and tidying up the area. As we watch him work, we'll notice winding up this week that the ducting is still open on the city side of the buildings, and the new sign on the passenger terminal is looking really good. Thanks for watching.